Hydrophobic, hydrophilic and hydrophobic meaning. Hydrophilic means that a molecule has a tendency to mix with, dissolve in, or likes to be wetted by water. Hydrophobic means that the molecule rejects or fails to mix with water. Both hydrophobic and hydrophilic can have results in different outcomes for an experiment depending on what they are testing for. Examples of hydrophilic substances: sugar, starch, salt, and cellulose. These share a common denominator between substances that allow them to mix well with water. Examples of hydrophobic substances: greases, waxes, steroids, alkanes, and fats. These do not mix with water, in fact they tend to be lighter and float on top of it. Differences between the two. If you were to put salt or sugar in water and wait a few seconds, you would start to see that they are starting to dissolve and mix with the water. If you were to put oil in water, even after mixing, you will notice that the two will repel each other. The oil will float on top of the water, while the water stays at the bottom of the cup or beaker.